Hey guys, welcome to the channel Sir Chogyal. Today we are going to make a double bounce ball animation in an HTML coding. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Here I am first forwarding the typing of my code. After this, I'm gonna explain a couple of things. You can get the code for the double bounce ball animation from the link in the description. Let's zoom in this a little bit. You can change the body background color. I'm changing the background color to light green. To increase or decrease the size of your double bounce ball, you have to change the pixels of width and height. Let's change the color of the double bounce ball to blue. Let's change the transparency of the double bounce ball by changing this opacity. You can make the animation slow or fast. Next, let's change the alignment of the double bounce ball to left, right, center, and at the middle of the page. That's it. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.